Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. I want to be a teacher. Again. I want to be a teacher. Your turn to read, children. I want to be a doctor. Again. I want to be a doctor. Your turn to read, children. I want to be a nurse. Again. I want to be a nurse. Your turn to read, children. I want to be a dentist. Again. I want to be a dentist. Your turn to read, children. I want to be a chef. Again. I want to be a chef. Your turn to read, children. I want to be a seafarer. Again. I want to be a seafarer. Your turn to read, children. I want to be a pilot. Again. I want to be a pilot. Your turn to read, children. I want to be a tailor. Again. I want to be a tailor. Your turn to read, children. I want to be a lawyer. Again. I want to be a lawyer. Your turn to read, children. I want to be a fireman. Again. I want to be a fireman. Your turn to read, children. I want to be a policeman. Again. I want to be a policeman. Your turn to read, children. I want to be a florist. Again. I want to be a florist. Your turn to read, children. I want to be a scientist. Again. I want to be a scientist. Your turn to read, children. I want to be a detective. Again. I want to be a detective. Your turn to read, children. I want to be a librarian. Again. I want to be a librarian. Your turn to read, children. I want to be an artist. Again. I want to be an artist. Your turn to read, children. I want to be an architect. Again. I want to be an architect. Your turn to read, children. I want to be an engineer. Again. I want to be an engineer. Your turn to read, children. I want to be an accountant. Again. I want to be an accountant. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. I want to be a teacher. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a nurse. I want to be a dentist. I want to be a chef. I want to be a seafarer. I want to be a pilot. I want to be a tailor. I want to be a lawyer. I want to be a fireman. I want to be a policeman. I want to be a florist. I want to be a scientist. I want to be a detective. I want to be a librarian. I want to be an artist. I want to be an architect. I want to be an engineer. I want to be an accountant. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you in our next lessons.